In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a citation using a citation machine website or a citation generator. First thing we do is we write what type of citation we need, whether it's APA, MLA, and we look for it, we do a Google search. So as we do a Google search, it's going to appear. I personally use citationmachine.net, right? Here you see APA, MLA, Chicago, and other types. Usually for our classes here, we're going to use APA or MLA. Here you have to search books, magazines, newspapers, website, journals, films, and other types of things that you could cite. So let's say we're working on the pollution. Okay, so we look it up. We're gonna probably get the definition. We got one, solutions to air pollution. You have pollution threats and stuff like that. I'm gonna use that same one, pollution threats. It's gonna take us to the WWF website. All right, so let's see what we have here. You have information, and you have different types of ways that pollution affects. So I copy that, and I'll go to my citation machine, I'll paste it, and I'll search that website. Once I search that website, it gives me a place where it found the information. That's what they found. Here, you would have the website. If it has an author and it's not there, you add it yourself. And if you have the date where it was published, you write that yourself. Since I don't have that information, I'm just going to create the citation. And here we have the citation for that website. So here, I'm going to copy another one. Right? Let's look for another, something else that gives me information. I saw the Botanica, the definition, and I'm going to use that also, right? So I'm going to take that, I'm going to copy it, I'm going to go to the MLA site generator, and I'm going to paste it. Here we have the information. Here we have more things. Here we have the author. We have the site, and you saw when it was published. So we create the citation, and here we have already 2 citations. Let's go to the next one. Let's continue looking for, let's say we're looking for pollution in Mexico. And let's try to get academic. Alright, let's look up here. This is from 1998. And here, this is more of an abstract research. And here you have the PDF, so you can purchase it. Let's copy this. And we'll go back here. And we create another citation. I think it is from a journal. Let's see if I'm correct. Let's see. No, it's not. It's incorrect. It's from a website. Let's see. Here it goes. This is an article, actually. We have the information. We saw where it's published. And we have, let's see if this had the author. Yeah, we have these people, which were the authors. So here, we just add some information over here. Let's see, the first one was Pius Osuna Federico Pius. Then we have another one. Saul Guerrero, Galvan, Saul Guerrero, Salvan. See another one. Yeah, halfway. and Luis Fernandez. Anna Luis Fernandez. I believe Pius had also used this third person. With Pius will be like that also. Alright, so here we have the date, we have the authors, and let's create the citation. And here you see how I did this correctly. So as we open, right, our MLA format paper here, I'm going to erase this because what I'm going to do now, I already have my citations, even though there's a function in Word where I could do that. I'm going to copy them all here. This is really, and it's in the clipboard. Here, you paste it. And notice how we already have the format. We have them in alphabetical order, and we have our working bibliography. So that's how you do bibliography using Citation Machine. Citation Machine. Hope this helps. Thank you.